Okay, so folks, I kind of heard that Heather is in this game, and I'm kind of wondering where is she? Where is Heather? Hold on, let me see. Let's see, Hiccup, Astrid, Fishlakes, Snoutlout, Rough Nut, Tough Nut, Dauber. Oh, there's Heather. Why is... Heather, why are you living that far away from Hiccup? I thought you two were like boyfriend and girlfriend. Wait, where's your brother? But you are living right next to a cave, Dagger. Are you okay? What the hell are you two doing over there? Why are you living that far away from the village? Come over here where it's warm. Come over here. Like, just, what the hell, dude? Just come over here. Live where it's warm. Live with the rest of the other dragons. Just, good lord, just come over here and get warm. Jesus Christ, it's winter. Jesus Christ, come over here. Your good lord. Wait, hold on. Where's the Light Fury? That, why is she living further away? Why is that Heather is living further away from Hiccup? Hold on, where are they? Why is it that Heather is living further away from Hiccup than the Light Fury is living closer to Toothless? She's literally living closer to Toothless. What the hell? What kind of long distance relationship is this?